everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a macrame heart design with a woven center. Let's get started. For this pattern, I have attached 6 ropes to a dowel rod using a reverse lark's head knot, and my ropes are measured about 4 feet long. Our first step then is to take the 3 ropes here on the right end to create the first part of the top part of our heart. So I'm going to take this one and tie 2 double half-hitch knots around it, pointing down to the left. Next, I will take the rope that is right next to it and point it down to the right and tie 2 double half-hitch knots around that. Now I repeat the same steps, just this time on the right. So I'll start with this rope to go down to the left 2 times. I'm also going to connect the 2 ropes here in the center just by tying another double half-hitch knot. And then I complete the last part of the top of my heart by taking this rope and going down to the right. Now to finish the heart, we would take these 2 ropes and go down and down to make the finished heart shape. And in our center of this heart, we are going to make these ropes in the center have a woven pattern. So now my next step is to start weaving the center design. And this can be a little tricky, so we're gonna go slow and careful to make sure we grab all the right ropes and put them in the right spot. So I'm going to skip the rope here on the far left and take the next 2 ropes, and I'm just gonna drape these out of my way. Then using the next 2 ropes, I'm going to tie them to the cord on the left using double half-hitch knots. Now I'm going to do the same process on the right side. So skipping the rope on the far right, I will take the next 2 ropes and drape these out of my way. Now I will take the next 2 ropes and attach them to the far right rope using double half-hitch knots. also going to attach the 2 ropes here in the middle to each of my filler cords. And now comes the fun weaving part. So as you can see, there are 3 ropes here, and I have 2 ropes on each side. So what I'm going to do is send the one here on the top over the first rope, under the second, and back over. Over, then under, then back over. And then I'm just going to attach it to the right side with a double half-hitch knot. Now I'm going to take the top rope here on the right, and I'm going to send it under the first one, then over, then under, and then over the last one. So I go under, then over, then under, and then over. And again, I'm attaching it to the left leading rope with a double half-hitch knot. And now going back to the left side, this time I'm going to go under, then over, then under, then over. So it's the opposite of our last row. And then I tie another double half-hitch knot to the rope on the right. And finally, I take my last rope here and I just go the opposite of what I did previously. So this time it's going to go over, then under, then over, then under, and then back over. And then I just tie with a double half-hitch knot to the rope on the left. And there you go, a macrame heart with a woven center. And as you can see, I just attached the 2 ends with another double half-hitch knot. You could also make extra rows of this if you wanted to do a long chain of these cute hearts. And you'll already notice that you have a part of the top part of the heart already finished. So all you'd have to do is take the 3rd rope from the left and go down 2. Then do the same on the right, and you'll have the top part of your heart complete, and it's just a repeat of the steps we did up top. I also recommend, if you do this, to go ahead and tape the ends you're working with when it comes to the weaving part. This will just help you be able to push and pull those ropes through the woven center so you're not dealing with unraveling ropes or frayed ends. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.